How to convert coins in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert coins in Lazada. First, open the Lazada application on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Next, click on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Now, tap on MYR to view your Lazada coins. Look for the option to convert your Lazada coins. Now, select the option to convert them to gcash. Then, enter your gcash mobile number carefully, as this is where the funds will be sent. After entering your number, click Send Code. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code to finalize the conversion. Your Lazada coins will now be converted, and you can use your gcash balance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.